Hola amores, how are you? Listen to the traffic, listen to the birds chirping, look at the wonderful sky, look at the wonderful greenery. The gray is leaving us. And what I'm going to do today is repot one of my plants that does not look so good. Honestly, these are some of my, where are they? Those are some of my plants right over here. And as you can see, these two are doing well, but Guadalupe, which is that one right there, she's not doing so hot. So what I'm going to do is repot her and get her ready for spring and summer so she can thrive. I'm going to show you what she looks like right now. Vámonos. So you see how she's kind of yellowish, Mrs. Guadalupe here? It's not, especially towards the bottom, it's not good for cacti. See, we want something more like Pancho. You see how Pancho is growing beautifully here? And like Cruz. Cruz is also doing very well. He's a little baby, Mr. Cruz. Ouch. Yes, he is. So what I'm going to do is repot Miss Thing into this big pot. I'm going to put in new soil, and she died over the winter. So since she died, I might as well give her a proper burial. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust, bitch. Sayonara. And I'm going to get rid of the soil. I'm going to toss it around the garden over here. That way it can start regaining its minerals back. As you can see, it's pretty unfertile soil. And after that, I'm going to... Oh, who's coming? Woo, woo, woo! Oh, there we go. I'm going to use this brand new soil, place it here, and repot little Miss Thing to see if this color... Oh my god. Oh my god. Ay, Jesus. Ay. She is so prickly. Ouch. Ouch. I'll do that later. But see if this yellowish tint might go away. I don't like it. Oh my god, the sun is so beautiful. I love it. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Gracias, Jesus. Ouch. I hit my glasses with my hat. Now, what we're going to do is bid this soil goodbye. I'll let it out here. Oh god. Excuse me, dirt. Go. Oh, there we go. Loosen up, sir. There we go. Okay. Step number 1 completed. Don't you guys hate hat hair? I'm not sure if I do or if I don't, but since I haven't seen the sun in literally 6 months, I'd rather take it slowly. But oh, girl, look at the shine. Yes, yes, healthy skin. Okay, I'd rather just not risk it. Now what I did is I went ahead and gathered a few stones. See, and I'm going to put them in. Wait, is this stone big enough? Oh god, yeah. Put them in the pot as a first layer, because since Miss Guadalupe here is a cactus, I need to ensure water filters promptly and efficiently. You guys, so it's super simple. These rocks will help water filter through the soil, and this rock right here, it's big because boom, right? I don't want the little rocks to go through it, so filtering system in place. There we go. Take off my glasses. I started to sweat a little bit and my glasses started to slip. So as you can see, Guadalupe, little Miss Thing here, she's a little she's a little mischievous here. She's a little spicy. And when I used to grab her, you can judge me, it's perfectly fine. A wooden spoon, some tongs, always gentle, because I don't know what's causing, see, this is the thing. I don't know what's causing that yellowish color, which I will show you in detail in a few moments. I just know that I don't water her that much. You're not supposed to. And that she likes light. So she's been receiving direct sunlight, but maybe it's not enough. But spring is here and summer is coming. I don't know why I had so much trouble saying that. And what I'm also going to do is trim her roots, just to make sure the roots are not the problem. We want to make sure there's no rotting going on, or maybe whatever it could be. Just like a haircut, the roots will grow back. Before anything else, here's cheers to you, and wish me luck. This is always the scariest part when I'm dealing with Guadalupe. She is so prickly. Okay, here we go. Ready? Wait, let me see. She's gotten a lot fatter. What? Ouch! I swear to God, dude. Here we go. I'm sorry. I know you don't like this, little mama. Get all that. Well, that was faster. Okay, I think I'm just gonna leave her on the ground. Let's see how she's all yellow. Oh, I know. Getting that out of your hair is going to be a problem, little lady. She's yellowish, and that's not good. So let me just loosen up the dirt. Oh my God, see that there? Oh my God, see that there? That is not good. That cannot possibly be any good. Don't worry, little mama. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this real quick. Okay guys, so I'm not applying a lot of pressure, honestly, on the prongs, but I really need to make sure. See, her roots are not looking very good. They're actually not. So I'm just gonna trim carefully. Wait, I'm gonna get out of the frame carefully. See, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna do this off camera, but I'm gonna trim. You guys, so here she is. Here she is, new soil, brand new soil. I'm gonna add some more. See, she's still a little loose, but here's some of her hair, her roots, and hopefully this new clay pot, this new soil, does well for her. Look, oh, my little baby, my poor little baby. But she got a good trim today. She got a bigger pot. She was in that plastic pot. Oh my God, what type of a mother am I? I love my baby because the only touchable part she has is right here on top of her head. Just like a little baby. It's so soft. Excuse me. I know it's not the object of perfection, but it's better than how she was, I think. Okay, amores, so what do we think? I was not rough with Guadalupe. Don't worry about it. She's fine. I just wanted to attempt to better her situation. Now, if anyone knows a better way of grabbing and holding on to these type of cacti specifically, let me know, because I have a boo-boo right here. I'm not sure if you can see, but yeah, it hurts. Anyways, that's what I like to do. I love to tend for my plants. Ouch. Anyways, that was my video for today. What do you guys like to do in the spring and in the summer? Me, I love to take care of my plants. I love. I'm actually going to put a little bit more soil on Cruz. Cruz needs a little bit newer soil, I believe. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna give Pancho a little bit of new soil as well. Have a beautiful day. Please like and subscribe, share the video. Just to give everyone those spring vibes, you know, those rebirth vibes. Look at the beautiful flowers behind me. Oh, I know, well, those flowers right there. Thank you so much, and hopefully this video is shorter. Hopefully it's a little bit more to the point. It's not yet my style. I will make it my style. I've been reading feedback I've been getting. Thank you all so much for taking the time out of your day to let me know how I can improve. I always appreciate any positive feedback, any constructive criticism, if you will. Yeah, this was not an over-the-top video, honestly. This is my relaxed hobby, and I very much enjoy and relax catering to my little babies. And yeah, so it's the same me, just a little bit less loud, because it's just, you know, there's a time and a place for everything. And you know, even though we always are fabulous, that's just what we do, but you know, it's nice to be serene for a moment and take care of your plants and contemplate nature and the beautiful sun that we finally have sun in the northern East Coast. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Buddha. Thank you, everyone. I won't bore you with this. I'm going to go ahead and give the other two boys their brand new soil, if you will, and besitos. Thank you so much. Please like, please subscribe. Do you have cacti? Because I do. I have a lot. And I also have a lot of plants. I love my plants. And if you have any tips for handling prickly pears, please let me know. Is there like a glove you use that actually works? Because I've had gloves before. And they have not worked for me thus far. So, there's to that. Besitos, thank you so much, and see you in a couple of days. I might have a surprise. I don't know.